Take a ride in the 2017 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, heated front seats, fog lights, security system, trip computer, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.